Hey, good Wednesday morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. A couple things to get to in weather. First off, probably the best day we've had in quite a while. The wind will be light. We will see some sunshine. I'll update you on that. And temperatures will be probably fairly mild. I'll update you on that too. And now let's take a look at the Tigers game as far as what's going on there. And let's also take a look into the weekend and Easter Sunday. All right. And as always, if you have any travel questions, go for it. I'll be able to answer those for you. Yeah, on our Michigan weather Facebook group, if you're not on it, join. We get to put a lot of fun stuff on there. Users, friends, the community does. I like this one. I love these animations, you know. Alrighty, Alice loves the Tigers and follows from Houston, so we'll take a look at that, like I said, in just a minute here. Radar shows rain to our south down here and should stay to the south. Maybe a few sprinkles coming in to the southern sections, of far southern sections of the state next hour or two. Eventually, we should get a little bit of sunshine. You see we're in this thick cloud flow, but you look back to the west, and there's some clearing. So I would say northern Michigan, you get some sunshine. Southern Michigan, you're going to fight with the clouds this morning. You're going to be kind of dreary. And then we'll see what I would call a high cloudiness with the sun filtering through as we get through the afternoon. Let's go to, first off, temperatures, and then we'll go into the Tigers game in the weekend. Now, hey, Alta, good morning. This is the GFS model. You maybe hear about this a lot. And it shows temperatures in the low to mid 50s across lower Michigan. I would probably buy this, but this is a better model. This is the high resolution rapid refresh model. And I think maybe it has a better handle on the clouds, and it only shows mid 40s, so I'd probably split the difference where it says 44 in Saginaw and 54 on the GFS. I'd probably go halfway in between, somewhere in there, upper 40s. Same for Flint. Same for really everywhere. Take 54ish and this number and cut it in half, and then you're looking at temperatures in the upper 40s to about 50 degrees. So again, with not much wind and a little sunshine, it will be eventually an A-OK day. Keith Overly moved to Florida, but still likes the Tigers. You can do that. Okay, so let's go into Thursday and check out what's going on. We're going to start Thursday morning, 8 o'clock, and here's the area of rain that's gotten a little more aggressive. It's not heavy rain, but it is up to a total of a ½ inch now in southeast lower during the afternoon and evening on Thursday. So there may be some impacts to the game. This is what the rain position is supposed to look like at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And these are amounts in the 6 hours prior to that. Hard to really see the bank there, but you're talking a few hundredths. Okay, and Tony, unfortunately, I wanted to see the trend of drier and drier. The trend is wetter and wetter. This is now the 8 o'clock positions, and remember, the rainfall amounts for the 6 hours prior, so 2 p.m. to 8 p.m., and it's getting more and more solid. Earlier in the week when I showed this, Detroit was just on the edge, and if it shifted a little, could be drying out. The trend is more rain, it looks like. Okay, so we're into Thursday night, and yes, you're seeing that correctly. Cold air could get pulled back in behind this storm, and it could change over to some wet snow. I don't think it would be accumulating snow, but wet snow nonetheless overnight Thursday night. And then for Good Friday, it moves off, but we're in a cool northwesterly flow. It's just a chilly pattern, folks. I wrote a post about this, that it looks like some very cold air for this time of the year is coming in the first week of April. Okay, now we're into Saturday, and there's another weather system forming. Bill Bechamp says he needs spring. Any positive pattern changes coming? We can see out 10 days, and that looks colder than normal. And toward the end of that, you start to see how out west it's breaking up a little bit on the cold. And maybe that's a sign that the second half of April will be at least tolerable. This is Saturday morning. This is a solid rain to snow line, and that's a solid snow. And as we go into Saturday midday, storm center by Cadillac would mean this is an accumulating snow in northern Michigan and the UP, rain in the southern half of the state, and then as that moves by, here comes the colder air and some snow showers. Easter Sunday, this is Easter Sunday, probably drying out, but I would not rule out some flurries. Alrighty. So, there you have it. Today, if you want to get something done outside, I'm going to try something I've never tried before. I'm going to transplant some asparagus before it wakes up. So I want to move it to a different part of my yard. So I'm going to start digging. I think the frost is out of the ground. I think today is a pretty good day. Eventually, as you get outside, light winds, fairly mild temperatures, eventually some sunshine. And then it looks like we watch the Tigers game tomorrow for some rain. I'm not sure it's a rain out type rain, but I think you better take the solid raincoat with you to enjoy the game, because it could be an hour of rain during that game. All right? Hey, Gail Gumbert, you have a good one also. And David Gaval, hey now, from Michigan. Everybody have a great Wednesday. I'll talk to you tomorrow. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa.